2-dog mirror boss fight loading. This cat is definitely judging your poor life choices. This tiny kitten is currently experiencing a major system malfunction. It appears the chin scratches have completely overloaded its internal processor, resulting in a total collapse of all motor skills and dignity. Ginger cats truly have a special talent for turning every meal into a high-stakes investigative crime scene. From dipping paws in your morning coffee to taste testing your cereal with their tails, their audacity knows no bounds. It is just orange cat energy at its absolute finest. One moment they are adorable kittens, the next they are kitchen table bandits. In the first frame, this tiny cloud of chaos prepares for battle by calculating its trajectory before pouncing on the unsuspecting human finger. By the third shot, the kitten realizes your hand is not food but decides to taste it anyway just to be sure. This adorable little monster clearly thinks your index finger is a gourmet snack. Forget world domination because this white kitten is currently obsessed with winning this epic finger fight.
Along the streets of sound, our voices lift the skies around. The echoes.
Mess with my cat and you will find your bags packed on the porch.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. He be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying to chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they cook, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light.
If you are raising chickens and ducks, you have a productive farm, but if you are raising a cat, you essentially have a tiny furry landlord who pays zero rent, sleeps all day, and expects 5-star service without ever saying thank you for the snacks provided daily.
Ya, itulah omongan-omongan orang yang gak suka kucing itu seperti itu. Udah sering sekali.
cube on your cat and see what they do.
This mouse has a death wish or zero spatial awareness, while this cat is currently re-evaluating every single one of its predatory ancestral instincts. It is basically a real-life Tom and Jerry episode without any of the actual violence.
Ma'am.
Witness this tiny fluff monster transition from a confused cotton ball to a fierce feathered hunter. My heart is officially compromised by this level of feline intensity. Behold the ultimate predator in its natural habitat as it prepares to launch a high-stakes investigation into the mysterious colorful ribbons dancing above. With eyes wider than saucers and a spirit fueled by pure chaos, this fluffy legend is clearly reconsidering every single one of its life choices.